So today I'm going to teach you how to create a react with just this. So this the light. You can put it whether here, but I will use mine here. So what we have to do is to put a hole here that we use to pass the light inside. Sit. I'm going to pass this through this hole. I've taken it inside. So good. So it's okay. Why the switch can be at this back, so mine will be at this back. Okay, so now let's proceed to the gummy. Okay, so I've gotten my is going. Like this is the switch, so I'll gum the switch. Okay, so this is my switch. So I'm going to connect wire to this switch. Okay. See, I'm creating the switch already. I put the switch here for the turn not to get this going, and it gone already. Then I get my other one, get my other wire, and I continue with this. I did not remember. Then I put the gun. Okay, so where will this be? At this back. So I get my name, I put the O because. So this is going to be 2 for the 2. So I've put the O, then we get this. And let me put 2 O's for the other side. Just leave that in. Later we'll fix that. Getting this thing.